Welcome. If you want to set the lock method in your Nokia 800 TUF, for the first you have to enter the menu. Right now find the settings icon, enter. Okay, we click on the radio, so go back, enter the settings. And right now we have to go for the privacy and the security section. When the screen lock is selected, you have to click select one more time, select to on, and right now just create your passcode. In my case it will be 1, 2, 3 and 4, and input it 2 times, then tap on the create. And right now we can try to lock our device. I don't remember where it was. Oh, here it is. So we have to hold, click lock, and right now when you want to unlock, we have to input our 4-digit code. And as you can see right now, we can work with our device. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.